Discover the charm of the most popular cat breeds. In the world of felines, diversity makes the cat kingdom fascinating. Today, let's embark on a journey of adorable paws and mesmerizing eyes as we delve into the most popular cat breeds. The Maine Coon's majestic size and playful demeanor make it a fan favorite. Famous for their dog-like behavior, these cats truly stand out. Next up is the Siamese cat. Known for their striking blue almond-shaped eyes, these cats offer a unique blend of elegance and companionship. The Persian cat is up next, with its long fluffy coat and calm personality. Their gentle demeanor makes them ideal for those seeking a serene companion. Meet the ragdoll cat, popular for their striking blue eyes and affectionate nature. These cats are often referred to as puppy cats due to their tendency to follow their owners around. Then there's the British Shorthair, instantly recognizable by their dense coat and round face. These cats are friendly, making them an excellent choice for families with children. Enchanting us next is the Bengal cat. With their wild, leopard-like markings and playful nature, they truly are a sight to behold. The Russian Blue, with its shimmering silver blue coat and green eyes, carries an air of mystery. These cats are known for their smart and inquisitive nature. The Scottish Fold is next in line. Their distinct folded ears, combined with a sweet-natured temperament, make them an absolute charmer. The Abyssinian cat, one of the oldest known breeds, captivates with its ticked warm-colored coat and lively personality. They're the perfect playmate for those who love an active companion. The Sphinx cat, with its hairless appearance and wrinkled skin, is certainly a standout breed. Despite their unusual look, they are known for being exceptionally loving and loyal. The American Shorthair, originally a working cat, is admired for its muscular build and wide range of coat colors. These cats are easygoing and great for families. The exotic Shorthair cat is essentially a short-haired version of the Persian cat. With their expressive eyes and plush fur, they are certain to win your heart. Next, we meet the Norwegian forest cat. This breed is adapted to a very cold climate, with top coat of glossy, long, water-shedding hairs. Then there's the Savannah cat. A hybrid of a domestic cat and a serval, it's known for its spotted coat and large size. These active cats certainly bring the wild into your home. The Chartreux is known for its robust body, deep blue fur, and copper or gold eyes. These cats are good hunters and can be quite playful. The Burman cat, with its silky coat, deep blue eyes, and contrasting white gloves on each paw, is a breed that spells enchantment. They are known for their friendly nature. The Ragamuffin cat, a variant of the ragdoll, is known for their plush, silky fur. These cats are as charming in personality as they are in looks. Next is the Turkish Van, a rare and ancient breed. Their most striking feature is their cashmere-like coat that feels amazing to touch. The Osicat looks wild but is domestic. With their spotted coat and muscular build, they are a treat for the eyes and make for playful companions. And finally, we have the Selkirk Rex, known for their curly coat. They are often referred to as the felines in sheep's clothing. These cats are known for their amiable and patient nature. These are some of the most popular cat breeds, each with its own unique charm and characteristics. It's easy to see why they've won the hearts of cat lovers worldwide. Choosing a cat breed can be as challenging as it is exciting. Your choice should depend on your lifestyle, living situation, and personal preference. Remember, every cat deserves love, care, and respect. Regardless of breed, they all have the ability to bring joy and companionship to our lives. Adopting a cat is a commitment. It's important to ensure adequate healthcare, nutrition, and love to ensure your feline friend lives a happy, healthy life. It's also essential to remember that while a breed might have specific typical characteristics, individual cats may vary. Each cat is unique, with its own personality and quirks. Different cat breeds require different care. For example, long-haired cats need regular grooming, while some breeds might need more mental stimulation. It's also important to remember that every cat has its own set of communication methods. Understanding your cat's body language is key to forming a strong bond. The popularity of a breed is not a measure of its suitability as a pet. It's the compatibility between the pet and owner that truly matters. In the end, it's about the love and companionship between you and your feline friend. And that truly transcends any breed or type. So, whether you're charmed by the exotic looks of a Bengal or the gentle nature of a ragdoll, remember to provide them with a loving, forever home. And who knows? You might just find that your perfect companion is not a purebred cat, but a lovely mixed breed or a rescue cat waiting for a loving home. In conclusion, the world of cat breeds is diverse and fascinating. And each one of these amazing creatures has the power to make our lives a little bit brighter. So, irrespective of breed, let's celebrate the beauty and charm of all cats. After all, in the world of felines, every cat is a star. Thank you for joining us on this delightful journey of exploring the most popular cat breeds. Until next time, keep pampering your feline friends.